Hello guys and compliments of the day. Today I want to share an experience I had with you for you to learn from. It's important. I feel it's important. Some days back I was running my generator and it was supplying the house very well. All of a sudden I discovered that the light inside the house went out. So I stepped out to check what the problem was. When I came out, the gen was still steaming, but I discovered that the power button, the power switch on the generator had tripped off. I hesitated a little, then I tried to put it on because I know that most times when there is a fault somewhere or when there is current leak, it could trigger the power switch to go off. It's a safety device that is being installed in generators just for safety purposes. So while assessing, I did not see anything. I decided to put it on again. When I put it on, I felt a strong force that brought the switch back off. At that point I was confused. I didn't know what actually was happening. I just left the gen that way, went back to the house. I switched off every appliances that were on in the house. I switched them off. I even went to my changeover and put it on neutral. When I put it on neutral, I went back. When I went back, I tried to on it again. It was the same thing. So I off the gen. I left the gen for some time. After a while, I went back, put the gen on. The gen started steaming normally. As it was steaming, I decided to switch on the power button again. When I tried switching it on, the same thing happened. The force brought it back off. In that process, I noticed a spark at the corner of my burglary, the protector where I closed it. At that point, I said, oh, there's a problem. When I went close, I discovered that the wire that supplies light inside the house had gone in between the burglary door. So when I closed it, it actually pressed the wire by the burglary door so hard. So at that point, I said, okay, this may be the problem. I off the gen. I tried to bring out the wire from that particular point. When I brought out the wire, the picture is at the top of this video. When I brought out the wire, I allowed the wire to be free. On the gen again, put it off, it was very much okay. So these are little things that we may not know. I never knew that such thing could happen. So the pressure the burglary door had on the wire was too much and it reacted by tripping off the power button. So these are little things we should be paying attention to when we are using appliances. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. So anytime that you are using a wire, try to make sure that it hasn't been impacted by anything that could cut the power supply or disrupt the flow of electricity or electric current, because it can trigger any action that you may not know. Thank you very much. I believe you've learned something from this short video.